Sociology actually is a great foundation for a lot of jobs.
Many students go on to work in nonprofits. They can work marketing, they can do social justice advocacy.
You can have beautiful research career. You can be a professor. You can work with community organizations.
When you apply for a job, they are not going to tell you, we need a sociologist, unlike physics or engineering, for example. Those descriptions would say, we need a person who can do research. We need a person who can do the data analysis.
It's all-encompassing, really. You can do a lot of things with it. It just depends on what you want to focus on.